Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to This Is Food. I'm Will, your host, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make cornflake cakes. You probably already know how to make cornflake cakes, but guess what? I don't care because it's fun to make them. And you probably even like this one better because it's got Nutella in it. You didn't like Nutella, right? Well, what you need to do first is basically you just got to melt 200 grams of milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate if you want, but I'm using milk because I prefer milk, and it goes better with Nutella. Alright guys, now it's fully melted. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add your Nutella. If you wonder how much Nutella, it's gonna be on the screen now. And the chocolate, obviously I've already told you how much chocolate it is. So you just add the Nutella. It's fully incorporated. If you want, you can add it in the microwave again just to melt the Nutella, but I'm not going to do that because it's nice enough. Now you just add in your cornflakes. You just gently fold it all in. Put that on one side. You're gonna just get some grease with paper and just put it in your tray. Push it in there. And it's as easy as that. You just put as many as you want. I'm gonna probably get around 25 portions out of this. And you just put it in the fridge for about 3 hours until set.
Now it comes to the fun bit. You just gotta cut it into how many pieces you want. Doesn't matter. Just once you've done that, you can enjoy. Sit down, relax, and have a bite of this Nutella cornflake cake. And that's all from me. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Guys, if you don't mind me, I've been waiting a long time for this. I've been waiting at least 3 hours. It smells so good. I'm gonna give it a try. Wow.